So over here we have ABCD. ABCD is a square. The area of the triangle CDE is 100 cm square. Given that AE is equals to CE, okay, find the perimeter, okay, perimeter of the square ABCD. And to find the side of the square, maybe we may need the area of the square. There's more than one way of solving this. So if you are able to solve it in different ways, that's good. But of course, on our end, we'll show one recommended method.
You apply the S.O.L.V.E technique when you read the questions. Okay, you know that ABCD is a square. Alright, so for those of you who are first time attending a BlueTree lesson or first time with us, okay, just to introduce S.O.L.V.E technique, S for search for clues, O for obtain evidence, L for locate the key, and VE is to reread the question and solve the mystery. Alright, so that makes the word solve, because in math you want to solve the math questions, right? Okay, so in this question they say ABCD is a square, alright, and area of triangle CDE is 100 cm square. Given that AE is equal to the line CE, right, and find the perimeter of the square ABCD. So you can actually make annotations on your diagram that AE is equal to CE means they are same, they are equal, and we usually use the short line to indicate that they are the same, right? So in the figure, you can then cut it into 4 triangles. Given that one triangle's area is 100 cm square, means we can multiply by 4 to find the area of the square, and that will be 400 cm square. Once you get the area of the square is 400 cm square, you can square root to find the length of the square. Okay, so most of you are already in P5, P6 and you can use the calculator. That is square root 400 to give you 20 cm. But that's not the answer. That's only the length of the square. They are asking for the perimeter. So it's 20 times 4, which is the length times 4, and you get the final answer, which is 80 cm.